Hey guys, let's make some money again, guys. As you can see, I am having a balance of 13,416.05 USDT on my Binance account, and since my currency is in cash, I have exactly cash 1,736,941. Okay, that is my Binance balance. And on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your capital that is in your exchange from as low as 100 to this kind of balance that I have here. Okay, we are going to trade what we call triangular arbitrage. Triangular arbitrage is simply buying USDT from one exchange or Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other coin, and then you sell it on another exchange. For today, we are going to trade with the Trexbic.app. If you don't have Trexbic.app, guys, what you need to do, you need to go on Google and then you write Trexbic.app, not .com. Okay, .app, sorry, .app. So you need to have that, and once you have it, you go to that link. It will redirect you to my Trexbic.app.com, I mean, which is the same exchange. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing step by step. Okay, so without wasting time, let's do this. Okay, as you can see on my Trexbic, I have 60 USD as my aggregated portfolio value, and you can see on my USDT I have 0.0, but on my TRX I have 174, which is 60 USD. So what I'm going to do, guys, before I show you how I'll make the profit, I'm going to deposit some funds on my Trexbic. But before, guys, you can also trade with demo. They are giving you a demo account to try and test with, which you can get up to 5,000 USD. Okay, and you will try on trading on Trexbic with the bots. Yeah? The demo, you can trade it on P2P. You can trade it with the trading bots and the etc. Okay, and so guys, I'll switch back to real account, and I will now click on deposit USDT, and I'm going to choose to deposit on funding wallet, and make sure you choose funding wallet. And then guys, I'm going to put amount 1,000 USD. Okay, and then I'll click get deposit address, and so you see they have given me my deposit address that I'll send the amount to. Okay, if you need to change the address, you can always change the address. So I'll copy the address and I'll go back on my Binance, guys, as a refresher, so you can see my Binance balance is not fake like other people who are scammers and try to scam you by showing fake tokens on YouTube. So I'll click on assets, and then I'll click send, withdraw crypto, and then I'll choose USDT, and I'll press that address that I copied there, and I'll choose the network as TRC20 TRX, and I'm going to put 1,000 because of 1.3. I'll put 1,001.3. Okay, which it will be sent out a total of 1,000. Okay, and then I'll click withdraw, and then guys, I'll confirm and put my passkey. It's very easy, and you need to be very following me. So I'll now put my passkey here. Okay guys, I'm putting my passkey, and now the withdrawal is sent. As you can see, if I click on view, you can see it's a real withdrawal sent on a network, and it's now processing, and it's not fake. Okay, some other people have fake tokens that they show you they have millions on their account while they have nothing, guys. So be very cautious. So another thing, guys, once you have sent the deposit, the next step you need to do is click on I have paid. Okay, so I have clicked on I have paid, and now I need to be patient and wait for the deposit to be automatically detected. It's always automatic, guys. Okay, do not click on cancel because you have already sent your deposit. So let's wait for it to arrive, guys. Okay, in just a moment. Always be patient once you send the deposit, because it usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. It can't go above that. If I go back to my Binance and refresh, you see it's sent here, so it needs to be now detected here in a few. Let's wait for it to be detected and credited, guys. Just in a few. Always be very, very patient. I'll pause here and wait for it a bit. And the deposit, guys, has been credited. You can see deposit credited 1,000. Now I'll go back here and you see the balance now is 1,060. You need to be very, very following my video, guys, and remember to like this video, share to other people so that you can also help them make passive income from home trading triangular arbitrage. Okay, so since we have now the deposit on our Trexbic account, the next step is to click on these 3 dots, and then I'll go back on click on P2P, and now I'm going to sell that USDT that I have deposited, sorry. And then I'm going to choose the coin is USDT, and guys, I'm going to find at least someone with at least 1.2 or 1.3. So I'll choose this one called Amara Diallo, which has 1.2 price. Don't choose 1 or 1.1, and then I'll click sell, and I'm going to put amount 1,000 that I have, and you can see the return will be 1,024 and 1,200 after fees. Okay, so I'll click proceed, and then I'll click settle, guys, and payment method I'll choose TRC20. And here, guys, these you can get paid on Trexbic spot wallet at a fee of 2%, or you can get paid on your own address. Okay, you can put your Binance address or your any other exchange that you have the address here, and you'll be paid as well. But for me, because this is 4% fee, I'm going to choose to be paid on Trexbic spot wallet, and then I will withdraw back, because 4%, guys, is almost all my profit. And so, guys, since I have selected my Trexbic spot wallet, I'm going to click on confirm order, and the order is now processing, and I'm waiting for the vendor to pay me. So the next step, guys, on this now, you need to click on chat with vendor here and text, hey Diallo, hey Diallo, please release. Yes, so I'm waiting for the vendor to release. Okay, you can see I'll release once I confirm your bank transfer went through. Just hang tight. Okay, I paid via USDT, not bank. Okay, just to be clear. Okay, oh, okay, guys, I think it's still okay, because he is saying that I can only buy with bank transfer for this trade. Let me know if you want to proceed or change methods. So at this level, guys, because you have already settled this trade, and this trade is going to be paid in your spot wallet, do not worry, because it's secure auto approve. So even if this vendor won't pay back to your spot wallet, the system will auto pay you in 1 minute, guys. Okay, so at this level we need to be patient and wait for the system to pay us in this time. Okay, because if it doesn't pay, we will just click on dispute and report this trade on support, and they'll get back our money. Okay, so it's always very safe, and nobody can scam here, because it's an escrow, and if the vendor doesn't pay, you can see the payment method for the vendor was USDT TRC20, but now the vendor is saying that he has to be paid via bank transfer. But the good thing, we choose our spot wallet, and it's auto approve in 1 minute now. So let's wait for it. Guys, it's now 26 seconds remaining for the vendor to auto approve and pay on my wallet. Yes, it's now 16 seconds, 14, enough you guys. Okay, just to wait for it. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and you see it's saying now funds ready, frozen, pending your release. Your funds are ready in your spot wallet. 1012.24 is currently frozen, release to unlock. So guys, do not release this trade unless you confirm the funds are in your spot wallet. So you need to go back here, and you see now I have 1262 because I made 200 as profit. So the next step, I need to go to financial history, and I'll just click on P2P, and guys, I'll click on this, and because I have confirmed that 1200 is there, now I'll release this trade. Else I could have just disputed it. Okay, so after that, guys, you have now made your profit of 1200 in just a few minutes. And so the next step, guys, is to withdraw back your profits, or you can withdraw everything. So I'll just show you that I can withdraw everything. Now I'll click on withdraw, and I'm going to choose to withdraw from spot wallet. Okay, and I'm going to put amount 1200, and you see the fee here is a bit high, 3.5%. So I'm going to receive 1158, but remember guys, it's better than nothing. Okay, because that's 158 in profit. And so I'll just choose continue to address, and I'm going to choose to put my address here. I'm going to Binance, and I'm going to copy add funds, deposit crypto USDT, and I'll just choose TRX, copy the address, and I'll paste it here. I'll again paste it again, and I'll review. And so you can see now they have sent a verification code on my email. I'll take it. So I'll copy my verification code here, and then I'll now paste it here, and I'll confirm the withdrawal. Okay, and so the withdrawal is now processing, guys. You can see now waiting for the withdrawal to land on my Binance account, and I'm expecting to receive 1158.9. You can see they have already given me a blockchain view, so I'll click on the blockchain, and you can see this is live, guys, and the transaction is already successful. It's on now the blockchain, you can see, and it's not yet confirmed, so it usually takes a few. Let's wait for it. Let's wait, guys. It's confirming, you can see. So guys, before as the withdrawal is confirming, guys, I want also to show you that you can also trade on Trexbic using AI bots. You can see here they have trading bots, like we have a Phoenix Grid bot, there is a 3Commerce DCA bot, Cryptographer Trend, Beats Gap Futures, Modrex, Momentum, Wonderbit Grid, Shrimpy DCA Pro. So those are the type of bots you can also trade with on Trexbic.app. Okay, and also you can also trade futures. Okay, you can also trade futures and everything, guys, and you can also trade spot. You can also do spot trading on Trexbic, and here is the spot book history and everything, guys. Okay, I will do a demo trade using AI and show you. Before that, let's do something here. I'll go back and check whether my withdrawal is complete. I'll click on financial history and click withdrawal, and you can see the withdrawal is complete. I'll click on view on Tronscan. You can see 1,158 confirmed. I'll go back to my Binance and check and refresh. You can see now I received 1,158 in my account. Confirmed, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it's legit, it's regulated, it's real, and it's real time, guys. It's real. Okay, so nobody should tell you anything. It's real. So I'll go back on my account and show you how you can trade with AI. On AI here, guys, you need to deposit funds on spot wallet. Okay, you need to go on crypto wallet, you click deposit, and you choose spot wallet if you want to trade with AI. For example, I can choose demo. See, that's a demo, and I can go to this. I can trade with AI bots with demo and go to trading bots, choose AI, and I will choose neural pulse AI, copy it, and I put amount. I'll put amount 1,000 because I have 5,000 there, and then click sign bot, and you can see it's now trading on demo using 1,000 USD, and it's going to finish in 1 minute. So just wait and see how the AI is trading. And also you can see the chart, it's showing you how it's buying and selling. Everything is here, you can see. So it's now executing trades. The distributing bot is buying and selling. You can see the live feed here. So let it trade on demo for at least 1 minute and check, and you'll see the result to yourself. You can see it's executing trades real time. It's working, guys. You can see the chart here. It's buying and selling. Okay, and you can see it's now live here and expecting to make at least 12.85% in one run. 42 seconds to go. The next video, guys, I'm going to show you that I can trade with this bot using a live account, and I make profit and withdraw. So you don't have to worry anything. If you need help, I will help you also set up your account and trade for free. I do not charge anything. I will just help you because I like helping people to succeed in life. So you can see I will help you be a trader and be a profitable trader. Stop getting scammed and win. Okay, you can see that it's now done. It's going to complete in a few. Okay, bot is still executing, and now you can see 12.85% profit and 128 USD. And now you can see my demo balance. My demo balance should show now 5,721. Okay, so that's how the AI works here. And so, guys, I remember I made 158.965 USD in in 10 minutes, guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely new month, and see you again, guys. See you again, and cheers.